What's the meaning of CCRA? CCRA. CCRA.
CCRA. CCRA. CCRA stands for Common Core Regents Assessment. This refers to a set of standardized tests used in the United States to evaluate the knowledge and skills of high school students who are studying under the Common Core state standards. The CCRA exams cover a range of subjects, including English language arts, mathematics, science, and social studies. These assessments are intended to ensure that students are meeting the academic expectations set forth by the state and are on track to succeed in college or their chosen career path.